Dollar versus $1 million yacht. What are you talking about?
This is a $1 million super yacht, and it's big enough to hold an entire city on the water. How do humans build this stuff? And I'm going to show you the difference between this and a $300 million mega yacht, a $50 million giga yacht, all the way down to this $1 yacht. Why did you sell me this boat for $1?
The storage just kept racking up.
Yeah.
$1,000.
It's cost you $18,000 a year to store this?
Correct.
Interesting. Here you go.
Thank you.
And after stepping on board, it was pretty clear why this yacht only costs $1. Okay.
I don't fuck with that shit. I don't fuck with the water!
I think we're supposed to do that. I don't know if this is even worth $1. Oh, we're actually sinking. The boat literally started sinking right when we put it in the water.
Damn. Oh, hell no. Oh, fuck no. Hell no. He played y'all
Here
that.
in this video, we have a $50 million yacht, a $300 million yacht, and the $1 billion
Yeah,
super
look how
yacht.
big that bitch is.
$50 million yacht, a $300 million yacht, and the $1 billion super yacht. But before all that, here's the $1 million yacht, which is a little smaller than I thought
That
it would
bitch small as hell.
Alright.
For $1 million? That bitch better go fast as shit.
Surprisingly big living room, a lower deck with a master bedroom, another bedroom that I can't stand up.
Bro, what the fuck? For $1 million? Somebody got played. They can keep that.
They got some double beds for the kids.
Wait, you have kids?
Chris, Chandler, Carl, Nolan.
Don't worry, boys, I got this.
Please stop. Someone's gonna send a rescue boat. What if I turn this into a ball? This is fun! Oh! $1 million boat! I'm not gonna lie, it's a little smaller than I thought.
That shit's too small. Yeah, they know Mr. Beast. But this shit gotta be capped, bro.
And now we are on the $10 million yacht. Let's check this out. Holy crap.
$10 million yacht.
Way bigger than the last one. Look at the view.
I'm getting some good sun here. I'm really pale.
Oh my gosh, yes, this is a nice bedroom. For $9 million more, I can actually stand up. And right down these stairs are 4 more massive
Yeah, I be getting busy in the 10 million. Getting busy in the 10 million.
bedrooms. Why are there 2 toilets side by side?
For the 10.
For your butt? You
What?
Here, and you want your butt here. Why don't you just use toilet paper?
Yeah, something like that.
And upstairs is another seating area. Oh my gosh. The seats on the $1 million yacht
And that shit
are
is
leather
lovely.
and hot. These are actually soft and practical.
This boat is the nicest boat I've been on.
Boy, I be on there too in the middle of the water going crazy, going crazy. Let me stop. I'm
Just
playing.
wait until you see the next
I ain't.
one. It's massive. And because it's so massive, I invite all my friends to have fun. This boat is meant to hold 150 people. They're gonna have a lot of fun. Oh my
Damn.
God, this is
150 million. 150 people?
And a mansion.
This is a mansion. When does it stop?
Damn.
This is definitely the nicest bedroom we've seen so far. And
Hell
it's
yeah.
because
Well, the other one, the interior on that shit looked better. This is just
we're
bigger.
touching it. This yacht has a living room, an office,
Damn.
a massage parlor, 2 dining rooms,
That's
and
crazy.
7 bedrooms.
Nigga, fuck get on the plane. You might as well just get on the yacht. Where you going? They going to Texas, Miami, wherever we go. Fuck the plane. You might as well get on the yacht. Nah, I can't do the water though. We already in the water.
Driving the boats.
It's not peaceable. It's not peaceable. Thank you for saving my life. Hey, buddy.
Damn. In the boat, damn.
Side yet? Here you go. Take a bite. So we got all the goon squads in here. So the $25 million boat with 30 rooms. Why are you guys in here? Even though this yacht comes with a world-class chef,
Damn. 25 million.
so I planned a little surprise. You know what we're standing on, boys?
Oh, a hospital. A boat.
Helipad.
Helicopter go that bitch.
Immediately does helicopter deliveries.
Get the fuck. Get the fuck.
I can't believe it's actually.
Well, no, Richie gotta be there for who the fuck? What people? I just want to know the people that actually living like that with that. Besides, like it's people that probably ain't that we don't know about that's using it. Like, you know, I want to know. Like, damn, how you get that? So I can get that. That's crazy.
He decided I want to on a moving boat. Who wants some pizza? I know you're not supposed to swim after you eat a bunch of pizza, but you're on a $25 million yacht. Which thankfully, when you pay $25 million, you can get some jet skis. Tariq flipped the jet ski. Yo, Mac, catch this pizza. Oh!
Yeah, out there. Going crazy.
$25 million yacht, and I'm the only one enjoying it.
If you thought this yacht was crazy, look at this video of the $50 million yacht. You know what?
Damn.
Honestly, let's just go to it right now. Zoom in. And now we're on the $50 million yacht.
But that is hard as
It's
fuck.
over 200 feet long, 4 stories high, can hold over 200
Man, that bitch
people.
nice.
And
Now that right there for the 50, that motherfucker cold.
what?
That motherfucker for the 50 cold. That 50 the best one right now.
With this homeless person I found.
That bitch crazy.
When you
That
pay
bitch
$50 million,
huge.
you're given this remote that can call the crew at any time. No, I just wanted to show how this works. But that's not the only thing the remote does. They said this TV goes up and down.
That's cool.
That dude,
That is slow, dude.
that shit hard.
Maybe it's like
I'm gonna go downstairs. You guys go upstairs. Tell me if you find anything cool.
Okay. No, it is massive. It's like
That
a whole
shit
nother boat.
crazy.
Jimmy, there's nothing cool up here. Don't worry.
this is crazy.
Whoa. Interesting thing
No,
is
that bitch look like a crib, bruh. Look at that, bruh. I love just seeing beautiful luxury things, dog. I love that shit. I just love that shit. Like, I don't give a fuck if it's a hotel or whatever. I love that shit.
I've just been walking, and I don't know if I'm at the halfway point at the end of the boat or if I just started. This thing's huge. Meanwhile, Nolan overslept, so he was still trying to find us.
Have you seen Mr. Beast? Are you lying to me?
Look at the freaks.
Pete Davidson is there? If I don't see Pete Davidson, I'm gonna sink the $50 million yacht.
Meanwhile, we noticed another boat was approaching us, and then the owner did this.
Oh, hell
When
no.
he showed me his butt.
That's gonna be someone's dad one day, dude.
All right, Ken.
Where are they going? Are they backing away from us, or are we just?
Yeah, throw them down and launch it on. Get the fuck back. Fuck back. Show her your ass. Get the fuck on.
This is the most.
Pop
The
one.
guy that's bigger and stronger than all of us did it? Wow, shocking!
What kind of food they got on the shop?
I already have lamb.
They do not have lamb. No.
Cooked to the dinner.
I still have little chops.
Thank you so much. It's really good.
What projects do you have coming up?
I'm very excited. I have a show, A Buck is coming out on Peacock on May 4th.
3 days before my birthday. And while Nolan was still trying to find us,
Which direction did Mr. Beast go?
we noticed a lot of boats surrounding our floating billboard. I didn't even know you could put billboards in the ocean. And we thought they might want some chocolate.
Yo, you guys want chocolate?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Oh my god! Let's go! Oh god! Let me know if this is the best chocolate bar ever! Hershey's definitely! Everyone agrees it's better than Hershey's. You need to try it. Tell me what you think.
Honestly, way better than Reese's.
That's what I like to hear. What do you give it?
A 10.
Flying Feastable bars to people.
Hey, Feastables incoming!
Let go of the string! One Feastable bar delivered.
Hey, girls, we're trying your gummies.
If you want to try the best chocolate bars, cookies, and gummies on the planet, go to Walmart, 7-Eleven, or any Albertson stores right now. Or go to Feastables.com right now if you want to order online.
What do you think?
This is amazing. This is better than every other chocolate, so why wouldn't you have these nuts?
I agree. Put our nuts in your mouth.
Oh, all right.
At the end of the day, Nolan finally found us.
Jimmy!
Nolan! We had another 5-star dinner. And the next morning, we boarded one of the world's largest yachts.
Damn.
This is the
That bitch gotta be crazy.
$300 million yacht. And it has over 50 crew members waiting on your every request. Tons of luxurious rooms and
That shit
9
crazy,
master
bro.
bedrooms.
Damn, hold on. Look at the
Every
bed.
request. Tons of luxurious rooms and 9 master.
Damn, hold on. Which one I want? I like the way that red looking on my mama. That red looking crazy. Red light special getting that. I like the corner. All them been hard. All right, let me see which one I really want though. Ooh, it'll be between this middle one and this red one. Cause this one look like it's big as fuck. But this one's smooth too. These is smooth. Like they smooth. I like the green. All these look good. I think it'll be between the red, the middle one next to it, and the other one next to it. But I don't know cause that's black. I don't know. I think I have to go with the middle, but something with that red that's popping, dog. But that black, I don't even know. I don't know which one I want. I don't even know.
Your bedroom. Oh my gosh.
Welcome aboard.
I literally can't see the top of the boat from here.
We are the 69 floors yacht.
Is that a factual statement?
Yes, it is.
That is crazy. There are 6 floors, a massive pool, and a hot tub.
Who is getting on shit like this? I just want to know, like, who is getting on shit like this?
This is nice.
This is ridiculous.
This is my favorite boat so far. The $300 million yacht comes with a state-of-the-art gym that overlooks the ocean.
I feel like a resort, goddamn, on the fucking water.
A movie theater with windows that auto-darken whenever
That
you
shit
watch
crazy.
something. And even the table is worth $3 million. And the piano plays itself. I want one of these in my house. All the boys disappeared in the spa. Come with me. Oh, you're getting a haircut. Carl was in the sauna. Are you alive?
Barely.
That does not
They
look comfortable.
enjoying
I
that
don't
shit
even
for real,
know
for
where
real.
Roland is.
Oh, it's so hot. Man really got in a hot tub with a sunburn.
Dude, there's more downstairs.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Do you think they have enough
Damn.
chairs?
What's behind this door?
Oh, I'm doing this.
One of us is getting thrown off the side of the boat.
Oh, mama, we gonna be scrapping.
Hey, all of you ready for nose goes? Jimmy!
Man, panic, get out! Get out! Man, be panic! Fuck that!
Exactly like Rich
Ah,
Billionaires. Think, would you rather have 300 $1 million ships or one $300 million ship?
You can almost have one for every different day of the year. I'm not gonna take care of 300 boats.
Which would you rather have? 300 boats or one big boat?
You want the big boat.
Gentlemen, did any of you notice a boat pulling up?
No.
On that boat might be Tom Brady. By that I mean it is, and we should probably go say hi to him.
Tom Brady?
What's up, guys?
And if you
Tom
know
Brady?
Tom Brady is, he is the #1 quarterback in NFL history.
Epidemic Sound is basically a royalty-free soundtrack company. So it's where I go to when I...
So this is where you get your hair cut on the boat. So it turns into a dentist.
That shit crazy.
Is this the nicest boat you've been on?
Oh my god, are you kidding me? It's crazy. If
Yeah, I'm
you
a
eat too
fucking
many
crazy.
peanut bars before breakfast, I literally had to hide them in my house because I knew these two would sneak right where they're at. I did. This place is so fun. It's really an endless maze. I think it's the nicest boat in the world.
So
It's
Gotta be.
crazy.
we still have more floors to go on.
That's crazy.
Thank you.
This is a way nicer helicopter pad.
When I think of a helicopter pad on a yacht, this is what I think of. Not what we had before. And with Tom Brady here, of course we had to play some football. This is the most fun motion of catch because you just do this and he just throws it there.
Come on, man. Tom
That's what I
Brady.
got paid for, Jimmy. Come on.
I want to see if you can hit my drone out of the sky with a football.
Oh, is he gonna do it?
Thrown on the first try. Maybe I should come out of retirement.
I
Come
like
on,
that.
mama.
I probably will miss.
First try.
Damn! He got the go. That's why he
Carl's
is.
probably the worst wide receiver you've ever thrown to. Unless you dome him in the head, he's probably not going to catch it. All right, Carl, don't screw this
Yeah,
up.
that's
Just
it,
go as far as you can.
Oh, he could have got that.
You hit him in the chest. You got him in the head. After chilling with Tom Brady, we hung out in the movie room for the rest of the night. Would you say
That shit
this is
crazy.
the best boat so far?
Hell yeah.
But keep in mind, there's still a $1 billion boat after this.
How big can that get?
It is 4 times bigger than this boat. These things get bigger. This
What
ship
the
is
fuck?
bigger than 3 statues.
Damn.
Holy crap. You cannot fathom how massive
Bitch,
this ship
I'm
is.
like
It is literally a floating
fucking-
city that is 1,200 feet wide and 17 stories high.
Man.
And it fits almost 10,000 people.
Bro, that is just like a resort hotel. Everything like everything in the city, bro. Like what? You'll be on there for weeks, seeing different people. Then there for weeks. Like what the hell?
In all the other ships, we had our
What the?
rooms, but this ship
What was that?
has over 2,000 rooms. This boat has water slides, an indoor mall, a basketball
what the
court, and
fuck?
tons of other stuff I can't even name.
I ran out of
It is so, bro. I gotta get rich, bro. I just wanna see and experience all the things like this, bro. That's what I really want out of life, bro. I just gotta, just to see, like, damn, there's so much more to the world and to like this out there, like, Man, like the average OC, like this once in a lifetime shit, man.
All of which we have to ourselves. Have fun, boys. Oh, no, it's that way.
Oh, okay.
Let's see what happens. Whoa! There's a water slide.
There's a whole entire water park up here.
That shit crazy.
We're running. All right, man.
They literally have live music in the water park. What the heck?
There's even an entire sports floor that has everything you can imagine. Mini golf.
We're literally playing mini golf on this ship right now.
And I wasn't exaggerating when I said this ship is a city. There's literally 7 neighborhoods on this ship.
What the fuck?
Insane. We're still on a ship. And just
This is a ship.
This is what one of those neighborhoods look like.
So I went down a slide and now I'm teleported into like a different world.
Yeah,
That shit's crazy, bro.
they have shops, restaurants,
Who'd ever think you on a ship, bro?
even a Starbucks. Hey Chandler, 100 million
Hooping.
people are watching.
Imagine hooping on the court, on the water, on a boat, getting busy. What?
If you make the shot.
Brick.
This is crazy. Like, how can I use all these seats? I'm only one person.
And apparently, there's an entire floor for indoor shows and events.
That shit is nice, bro. That shit is crazy. I just want to see this get made. Like,
Obviously, I don't need this giant
who the
ship
fuck
all by
own this?
myself. So, I wanted to share this experience with you guys, my subscribers.
That's crazy. That's what's up. That's what's up.
We're gonna go ride the carousel.
That's crazy. Mr. B's a real nigga. He a real one. Real
We
dude.
had thought we had seen everything here. What is this? How do humans build this stuff?
That's what I'm
Also,
saying.
This giant ball inside of this giant ship. There's a bar that comes down from the ceiling. Wait, what are those robotic
Oh,
arms?
what?
See how much you guys, my subscribers, were enjoying this ship.
That shit is crazy.
And one last surprise for my subscribers on the cruise ship, so I had Nolan gathered them all together.
I have a big announcement for all of you. To all the subscribers we brought here today, we're giving you a 3-night free cruise.
Damn, that's what's up. My bad.
And if you want to be in the video in the future, subscribe so you can join us next time. We filmed a secret Mr. Beast video that will never be uploaded to YouTube. The only way you can watch this video is by buying a Feastables product within the next 30 days and scanning the QR code on the back of it. There's literally never been a better time to buy Feastables from Walmart, Albertsons, 7-Eleven, or Feastables.com. I spent over $1 million on this secret video. You want to buy Feastables so you can watch it.
Create an amazing website.
That shit is crazy. Did I just see what indie fuck? Couldn't even imagine.